morning, children. Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new chapter. Chapter name is in grammar, adverb. Chapter 9, adverbs. Now you have already learned about this chapter in your previous class, means 3rd standard. This year you also have to learn something new. In the previous class, you must have learned about these adverbs. But in this class, standard 4th, you are going to learn something more new, something more about adverbs. Before adverb, we learn about adjectives. We learn something about adjectives. Adjective is what? It is a adjective is what? It tells about something, or it adds something about noun. It tells something about noun. Adjective tells something about noun, means it's what it is. It tells us something about noun. Example, I have a red pen. I had a red pen. So pen is a noun. Red is a color of the pen we described. So the color red which we have used is called adjective. We have used red. We have described the pen red. So red is a adjective. As we learn more, we will come to know more about it. About the adverbs. Now an adverb adds something more to the meaning of a verb. Now over here what adverb says? An adverb adds something more to the meaning of a verb. As before I told you, the adjective is what? It tells something about a noun. Adjective talks about a noun, but adverb talks about a verb. Adverb talks about a verb, and adjective talks about a noun. As I gave you the example just now about the adjective, I have a red pen. I have a red pen. So pen is a noun, and the pen color which I describe is red. So that is an adjective. So adverb also is what adds something more to the meaning of a verb. An adverb adds something more to the meaning of a verb. Now how many types of adverbs are there? There are 4 types of adverb. How many types? There are 4 types of adverb. Let us read. 1 number. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. How an action is done. How an action is done. It means the action which has taken place, how it has been done. Second, adverb of place. Where an action is done. Where an action is done. It means कौन सी जगह पे एक्शन हुआ, कौन सी जगह पे ये चीज हुई. That is the adverb of place. 3. Adverb of time. Adverb of time. When an action is done. कौन से वक्त, किस वक्त पे ये एक्शन हुआ, किस वक्त पे ये एक्शन हुआ था. Number 4. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. How many times an action is done. How many times an action is done. How many times an action is done means how many times, कितनी बार ये जो एक्शन जो क्रिया है वो कितनी बार हुई, कितनी बार रिपीट हुई. So that is the adverb of frequency. An adverb adds something more to the meaning of a verb, whereof adjective adds something more to the meaning of a noun. An adverb adds something more to the meaning of a verb. There are 4 types of adverb. How many types of adverb there are? There are 4 types of adverb. Number 1, adverb of manner means how an action is done. Number 2, adverb of place, where an action is done. Adverb of place, where an action is done. Number 3, adverb of time, when an action is done. Adverb of time, when an action is done. Number 4, adverb of frequency, how many times an action is done. Adverb of frequency, how many times an action is done. Now we will go to the example, so it will be more clear to you. Example, ducks swim. Now what is the first example? Ducks swim. So means what? Ducks swim gracefully. Ducks swims gracefully. Swim how? Swim how? The first one is what? Adverb of manner. The first one is adverb of manner. How? It is called adverb of manner. Gracefully, playfully, where the ending word is fully. It is mainly an adverb of manner. So it shows that ducks swim gracefully. डक जो है वो पानी में किस तरह से स्विम करती है, तो एकदम ही ग्रेसफुल, एकदम अच्छे से, राइट. सेकेंड वन, डक्स स्विम. डक स्विम इन द पॉन्ड वेयर, सो दैट इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. डक्स जो है वो स्विम कर रही है. सेकेंड में हमने बताया पॉन्ड में, तो स्विम जो है वेयर, कहाँ पे? पॉन्ड में. So where जो है वो it's what? It is adverb of place. It is a adverb of place. It shows where the duck is swimming. कहाँ पे swim कर रही है वो? पॉन्ड में, तो वो adverb of place हुआ. थर्ड वन, ducks swim. Ducks swim the whole day. Swim and when, that is the adverb of time. Swim or when, that is the adverb of time. तो डक्स जो स्विम कर रही है होल डे, राइट, तो टाइम बता रहा है कि सुबह से लेकर शाम तक पूरा दिन डक पॉन्ड में स्विम कर रही है. होल डे, पूरा दिन. इट शोज द टाइम. व्हेन इट हैपन्स, व्हाट इट हैपन्स, इट शोज द टाइम. सो एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. 4 नंबर, डक स्विम. डक्स ऑफन स्विम विद देयर बेबीज. Swim how many times? And this is the adverb of frequency. This is the adverb of frequency. Means how many times often we have used over here word. You can see often we have used the word over here. So it is usually, every time. तो जो डक है वो उसकी बेबीज के साथ लगातार कई बार वो स्विम करती है, ऑफनली मतलब यूजुअली. सो इट शोज द फ्रीक्वेंसी. It shows us frequency, how many times. 1 time, 2 times, how many times. Frequency, again and again, repetition. Frequency. So once again we will see ducks swim. Ducks swim gracefully. Swim how? So this is the adverb of first. It is adverb of manner. So what is this? This is an adverb of manner. It is an adverb of manner. MANNER, adverb of manner. Second number, ducks swim. Ducks swim in the pond. Where? So adverb of place. What is this? Adverb of place. उसकी जगह पूछे, डक्स कहाँ पे स्विम करती है, तो पॉन्ड में, तो एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. 3, डक्स स्विम द होल डे. पूरा दिन वो स्विम करती है. सो इट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ what you say? Time. Yes, adverb of time. This is what? Adverb of time. पूरा दिन. Ducks swim often with their babies. So this is what? Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. What do you say? This is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. FREQUENCY. Adverb of frequency. So children, slowly We'll do this exercise. We'll do the exploration of chapter number 9 adverb. You will come to know you have to write this exercise in your grammar notebook with neat and good handwriting.